Hi there, this is the Mi TV 4A 43 inches. I did an unboxing last week and I promised that I'll be back with an in-depth review, so here I am. Also, there are people who have asked me a couple of questions and their doubts which I will be answering in this video, so stay tuned. If you want to see the unboxing video, quickly click the card up here to see that video. This is your friend Texing. Let's get started. Alright, before we get into the full review, let's clear out certain doubts that many people have asked. 1. On the box it says LED backlight with LCD panel. Now most people are thinking that this is an LCD TV. Well, let's get one thing absolutely clear. All LED TVs are actually LCD TVs with LED backlight. Here's a small explanation. LCD use CCFL, which are tubes of white light that provide light to the LCD panel from behind. CCFL white tubes are almost discontinued now. So CCFL white tubes are replaced with LED lights behind the LCD panel, hence called them the LED TVs. 2. Direct LED or edge lit LED. In direct LED we have a full array of LED lights behind the panel, and in edge lit it's only on the sides. Edge lit LEDs are the reason why we are able to make LEDs so thin, because there are no LEDs on the back side. The 43-inch Mi TV is a direct LED display. This is the reason why it is not as thin as the Mi TV 55, which is an edge-lit display. Direct LED displays are brighter, and that is why they have written on the Mi homepage for the 43-inch TV where they call it ultra bright display, which is because it has a direct LED. Direct LED displays are far brighter. The picture quality is better. They also enable local dimming, which help creating darker blacks. Third, Bluetooth. No, the Mi TV 43-inch does not have Bluetooth, so you cannot connect any Bluetooth headphones with the Mi TV. Also, I'll make a suggestion is get a wireless mouse and use the mouse dongle to fit into any of the USB ports behind the television and use that for navigation. It makes navigation far more easy. Fourth, IR blaster. I have to tell you that the IR blaster is not provided in the package. You have to buy it separately for 195 rupees. Also, one more important thing to mention is that the wall mounting bracket also is to be bought separately for 499 rupees, which you have to pay during the installation. Here are the specifications of the Mi TV 4A 43-inch. Amlogic 1.5 GHz 64-bit quad-core CPU, 1 GB RAM, 8 GB internal memory, 1920 by 1080 Full HD LED display, 20-watt stereo speakers, patch wall Android OS, and 500,000 hours of free content. Before wall mounting the unit, I was skeptical if I would be able to access the ports on the back. But the good thing is all the ports are on the right side, and after wall mounting them, I was easily able to access everything. I was able to put the Chromecast, the Fire Stick, the HDMI cable, the USB, as well as the headphone cord. All extremely easy. The Patchwell OS is a mixed bag. It's fluid but not polished. It's responsive and easy to navigate, but I wish there were a couple of things that would be better. Like for example, when I turn on the TV and I want to use the YouTube app, I have to come all the way down to apps, then to more, then to use YouTube. It would be great if they had a shortcut to add your favorite apps to your homepage for easy access. The TV Manager does a good job. You can optimize, trash clean, uninstall apps, deep clean, and install apps via USB. TV shows and movies available online also show up wonderfully in tile format. It's interesting but needs more optimization. No Play Store or any other app store to install more apps is a huge disappointment. I have sideloaded Aptio TV App Store, which helps install apps to your Mi TV. Some of the apps don't work because they need Google Play services. I even tried installing Google Play services, but that didn't work either. Hopefully the next major OS update of Patchwall will make the necessary changes. Sensi is also a smart app. It extracts TV guide programs and movies playing on your set-top box. You can use your Mi remote with an IR blaster to choose your channel you want to play. It's a good idea with poor implementation. Why was it such a big deal for me to not provide the IR blaster in the package? The sound on the Mi TV 4A is good. And when I'm saying good means it's really good. 20 watts of stereo speakers, and they create a nice effect. The music experience is good, the movie experience is good. It's probably one of the best speaker experience I have had on an LED of this budget. The music plays really loud, so I don't think you would need anything more than this. The speakers on the 4A are amazing. They're really good. Side loaded a couple of third-party apps. The separately installed YouTube app works flawlessly. Though there is a YouTube app pre-installed, but it's best to not use it. Videos lag while playing on it. GeoTV works fine. Netflix I installed and I removed it but was working fine. Movies HD works. OZ works. The only app that didn't work was Amazon Prime. It played trailers but crashed while playing movies. I'll make a separate video on how to install third-party apps on the Mi TV. The picture quality is good. Color reproduction is excellent. They aren't oversaturated but just perfect. As long as you are playing HD videos and using an HD set-top box, the picture quality is flawless. Non-HD content is pixelated, not recommended for set-top boxes which don't have HD. Also, I wish that the blacks were darker. They're more dark greyish than black. The other option to make the black stand out is to reduce the backlight to 50. I saw a huge improvement in black levels, and it's also power saving and helps increase LED life. You can navigate the Mi TV also using a Mi Remote app which is available on the Play Store. Download the app quickly. Make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as the television is. You see your television will show up here. You click here and you have the same pad that you see on the remote. And in fact, there are more than that you see on the remote. So you can navigate your television. As you can see, we can go through everywhere. In fact, there is a mute button on the app. On the remote, there is no mute button. There is no direct button to go to apps. So for example, I want to go to my apps. I have to go through these tiles. So from here I can just go directly to apps and I can choose my apps that I go download. So for example, I want to go to YouTube. So when I click YouTube, it opens up YouTube directly. So that's great. I think using the app with this TV is going to be good fun. Unfortunately, it's not available for the iPhone on the App Store. It's available only on the Play Store. I'll leave the links down. You can check it out and see your experiences and let me know in the comment section. Oh, one more very important thing. You can even take screenshots. So for example, I'm going to not play a video, but I'll just show you that. So for example, I'm going to take a screenshot. I click here and there you see, and there's a screenshot. So whatever you're watching, if you like something, you could take a screenshot and save it in the gallery. A lot of people have asked me if this is comparable to Sony. Well, I'd say no. A 43-inch Sony LED TV costs 60 to 65,000 rupees. It's almost 3 times the price of the Mi TV. And the image processing and the picture quality is far better. Yes, this is very much comparable to Samsung, to LG, to Woo. And at this price range, a 43-inch smart TV is a great buy. Oh yeah, there is another task of getting one in flash sales. Sooner or later, Xiaomi is going to have enough stocks to sell them without flash sales. Until then, flash sales are twice in a week at 12 noon. So if I could get one, so could you. So I hope you really like this video. Write down in the comments if you have any questions regarding the Mi TV. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't yet. Don't forget, I will be making another video on how to sideload apps on the Mi TV. So stay tuned. Until next time, cheers.